Good morning, everyone. Today I'm making bacon gravy, and I've had a lot of requests for this recipe. So I decided it would be my first video for the year 2023. And I will have all of the recipes in the description. So let's go ahead and get started. And here I'm dipping out some of the bacon grease to put in the pan for the biscuits. I think you'll agree bacon grease makes everything taste better. The bacon is done, so I've taken it out of the pan so that I can crumble it. And I'll go ahead and add the flour into the grease and cook that until the flour taste is gone. And then I'll add the bacon back in and continue cooking for a couple of minutes before I add the milk. The bacon adds a lot of salt to this gravy, as you know, so you'll just check it to add salt and pepper to taste, just however much you like. Just keep stirring this gently until it begins to thicken up and bubble. It doesn't take very long. I'm going to fry up a couple of eggs in the bacon grease as well. The biscuits are done, so I've taken them out of the oven, and I'm brushing some butter over the tops, and then I'll put them back in the oven for 2 or 3 more minutes.